I was like, wow, this is a nice area, the hospital looks really new. And then I walked in and it was really open and it felt warm and welcoming when I walked through the door. And from the minute the first person I met was lovely, all the way through.
We are a community, we're embedded in the community and we work for the community. We really are a community diagnostic centre and I really feel that the community has embraced us.
It's quite homely, it's easy to get to, it's not frightening when you walk inside the building, and the spaces have been designed to be kind of full of light and people like coming here.
And we just welcome everyone with open arms and everyone's so friendly and lovely and yeah, it's like a little family here.
So the importance of the CDC is it gives us greater capacity for diagnostics. It allows us to tell the patient what we think is wrong with them much earlier.
Hello. How are you? Yeah, I'm all right, thank you.
These are not private facilities. These are being provided by the NHS, for the public. My ambition is that we should get to a point where people can have the scans that they need, done quickly, done well, and get the results back with maximum convenience. We need to move some of the diagnostics out of acute hospitals into the community. It can be put in areas of great need, deprivation, much more convenient and actually much more efficient.
The CDC at Finchley Memorial Hospital has been going for a year. It has hit 60,000 tests in many different ways in terms of cardiology, ophthalmology, ultrasound and many others.
GPs can refer patients for a whole range of tests to the CDC. For example, packages of tests that investigate a particular symptom.
They wanted to take diagnostics out of the acute units. This was to relieve the pressure within the acute units, that being the local hospitals, and also to make better patient experience.
Working with partners has been crucial to the implementation of the CDC, particularly working with CHP.
Community health partnerships have been involved since the outset of the CDC, the Community Diagnostic Centre programme.
They've worked tremendously hard with us to make it happen. We've really gone at pace, which has been incredibly difficult to do, and they've helped and supported us every step of the way.
We have a fantastic building here and we have the ability to cope with more patients than can be seen in an acute hospital setting.
CHP have been instrumental in the way that they have helped us with the designs, they've helped us with making sure that we get this all going at some pace.
I think I'm most proud of the partnership that has been engendered, working weekly with true collaboration. It's about actually having the patient experience where they can undertake sophisticated diagnostic tests closer to home. They don't have to go to an acute hospital for that.
Just relax yourself.
It's definitely a very good place for patients to come. The delivery of the service is very quick. We have very modern technology for our patients.
Coming up to the CDC was much nicer than going into a hospital. I just found the whole thing a lot more relaxed around here. I couldn't believe that actually there was a car park. There was a lot less anxious and anxiety around coming in here. It was much nicer.
So you've been here before?
Yes.
Excellent. So the medication you've had?
Working here is great because it's less stressful. There's no emergency patients being fitted in.
I like to working here because I'm getting lots of support, and first of all it's management is very good and it's my local place as well. So it's exactly the place I was looking for, so I'm so happy to work here.
People love coming to work, they have a great environment, they know that their clinics are going to work to time, and generally speaking, everybody loves coming to work here.
I've never come across a place where patients really have such positive feedback. I couldn't recommend it enough.
The feedback we've got from patients is they're just so happy to come here. They want their repeat appointments to be here, and yeah, it's just fantastic.